Good evening, good day, dear colleagues. So I want to share my model. Here I designed my unit for reading task. So this unit is designed for the first year students, and the first unit is astrology. So at first I want to introduce about my learning outcomes. So firstly here in my outcomes I put the first one, identifying learners' understanding about topic, ask them answer the 3 questions about animals. Second, learners will be aware of the characters. And the third one, reading comprehension. So and then it follows with assessment form of, for the first one is chat session, and the forum discussion and assignment. So activities will be online and face-to-face. So the first activity which was designed as a chat session, here learners will read questions about animals, share their answers and ideas about animals. So here we'll talk about the animals which is used in our astrology. The second one, in forum discussion, learners will be given 12 descriptions, and they must find what characters are close to what their characters are close to this description, and they must describe themselves, and here they can submit their answers in this form. And then the last one, assignment. Here for assignment I designed this activity. Here learners have to read the text fairly and quickly. And firstly they must translate the phrase at the end and decide if the writer believes in astrology and horoscope a lot, or a little, or not at all. So after reading the text, learners will be aware of about if also believe in astrology. So if yes, they must clarify why do you think so. If no, why do they think so. So here in the unit astrology, for the first task I put here the quarters of Dane Regier, and he says that astrology is a language. If you understand this language, the sky speaks to you. I think it can just be interesting who are interested in astrology this quarter. So the first task is answer for the question. Here I designed it in this form. So here given pictures with questions. So for instance, what is rooster? And the second question, what is the difference between a sheep and a goat? Third question is, what is a wild boar? Here learners, after just answering for this question, they will click to enter and just start share their answers in chat session. So in the second activity, I designed discussion forum discussion. So here learners should read the 12 description. So it's a face-to-face model, face-to-face activity, and after just looking through 12 descriptions, characteristics of people, they will share, they should describe themselves and submit here their answers. And the last activity, just I want to show is does the writer believe in horoscope? So here given the task, you have to read the text fairly and quickly, so translate the phrases which is used in this text, and decide if the writer believes in horoscope. So after reading the reading, they will submit the answers. So I designed these 3 activities: chat session, forum discussion, and assignment.